What's up, my kings and queens? You watching Lizzy's TV. So today I'm back at it again with something I've never ever tasted before and never really had a desire to taste. Interested. So this is called Caviar. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 different kinds of caviar. So I'm definitely and excited about trying this. So I'm going to see what we got going on. So the first one I'm going to try is the Tobika. These different flavors of roe, which is caviar, okay, have been placed on top of some deviled eggs. So let's see what this Tobika tastes like. That's this one right here. That's your black one. That's the black caviar right there. I see that. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, God. Man, good. That's a little fishy. Now we're going to try the flying fish roll. The flying fish roll is red. See? Now the black was pretty good. So let's see what this red tastes like. I'm trying to taste this red here right quick. I really like this red. It's good. People that like caviar, I see why. Oh, good. Make them want to dance. Make a sister want to dance, baby. It's the sweet. This one right here is orange. See that? Now I'm going to try to see how this one tastes. I don't know about the orange one. I just don't know about the orange one. But we're going to try this orange one anyhow. Let's go see what we can do with it. For me, it's the red and the orange. Swedish and flying fish. I'm gonna remember that. For this finale, all three on top of this deviled egg right here. So look at that one, y'all. That's pretty, ain't it? I know. Y'all want some, don't you? Get some. We got the Tobiko, which is the black. We got the flying fish, which is the red. And we got the Swedish, which is the orange. All three, y'all. Grand finale. Y'all ready? Try it. Here we go. I never thought I would like this. Caviar? Woo. Now, that's delicious. Hopefully y'all come back. I don't know what I'm going to try next. But if you got some ideas, put them in the comments. And I'll probably go ahead and try it for you. So, see you on the next video. Bye.